Hello, everyone. My name is Madeline Harmouth, and I'm with Saving Grace Healing Services. I'm here today to talk to you about one of my amazing services called the Advanced Comprehensive Clearing and Balancing Service. This is a weekly service that I provide remotely. And what it does is, what I do is I come in and I clear and balance your entire field everywhere you exist across all time and space, it's very important, of all negative energy that either doesn't serve you or has stopped serving you. Okay. And sometimes we pick up the energy of others. If you're, especially if you're in the service field, you tend to pick up a lot of the energy of the people around you, and they just kind of stick in your field for some reason. And it's important to just get all of that cleared out. If you're going through a trauma in your life, and it's important to get that energy out so that you can make the best decision possible in any given moment in time. So, again, clearing all that energy out helps you have clarity and epiphanies. And, it allows you to have just an easygoing, easy flowing day and just feel like yourself. Sometimes we walk through life and we're like, how come I don't feel like myself? Why do I feel like I don't know, this all murky and, but I don't feel like myself. So this is a great process to receive that will clear everything out so you can feel like yourself. You can feel energized and happy and, healthy, and everything just flows easily in your life. And all of, you get epiphanies, and it just, the light bulb goes off and everything just flows. Okay. So as I clear everything out, I do backfill you with unconditional love and light, joy and happiness, peace and equanimity, as well as all other light-filled energies that are in your highest good and yours by divine right. Okay. Again, this is this is something I do every week, Sunday mornings. All right. But the service is a monthly service. So you pay $99 for the month, and every Sunday you'll receive a clearing and balancing across all time and space. Okay. And I will have the link to the service and all of my contact information included with this video. Also, I wanted to mention that if you're a little skeptical and you're not sure if this is going to work for you, that's okay. What I'd like you to do right now is set an intention and say, okay, universe, I'm asking for a free clearing and balancing from Madeline this Sunday. Set the intention, you get one free clearing and balancing. Whatever Sunday is coming up when you see this video, the following Sunday, I will do a free clearing and balancing for you. All you have to do is set the intention right now. All right. And then be in awareness of how you feel Sunday afternoon, how you feel on Monday, and how things are flowing in your life. Okay. So just be in that awareness and set that intention for that awareness so you can, just kind of really tune into all the amazing effects that this service provides. And if you have any questions, feel free to, pose those in the comments below. And thank you for your time. And I hope you have an amazing day.